I am mocking up the pulley setup just to see. So I had an old pulley here for the top. I put in 2 screws here in the top and set the shroud over top of the oil cooler here so that it knows sort of front to back. Now, it's not sitting that well on here, and I'm not exactly sure why. But that would obviously have a strap and be pulled down and make sure that the fan goes. And then what I did is I put all 4 of the shims on here. And I'm just looking for how it lines up with this one. So this one has one shim on it. It's this one is a little bit bent. But if you look, if I'm looking straight, let's see, I get a straight edge here. If I'm looking straight at the lineup of this, you know, for the fan belt, it does look like the, well, if I look at it like that, you know, I think that would probably work. I may take, well, we'll see. I can probably take a shim or 2 out of the bottom one, move it in a little bit, and then I think it should line up. So probably what I'll do is I'll go ahead and with 3 shims, or maybe 2 of the shims, I can probably put this pulley on, and then I've got a little bit of wiggle room up here because I have some extra ones of these shims I can put in there if I need to bump this thing out a little bit. But before I definitely had to make some adjustments to make the fan belt so that it's not, so that it's going straight. You don't want to have fan belt wear so that wears out much faster than it should. All right, well, that was the mock-up just to get a sense for the pulley shims. All right, let's see.